What if the next global energy revolution isn't solar, wind, or nuclear, but a natural gas that's been hiding beneath our feet this whole time? Scientists just discovered trillions of tons of underground hydrogen, and it could power the Earth for over 1,000 years. Clean, abundant, carbon-free. This might be the biggest energy breakthrough since oil. Until recently, scientists believed hydrogen couldn't build up underground in useful amounts. But teams from NASA and the US Geological Survey just turned that theory on its head. Natural hydrogen has been detected in Mali, Albania, and the United States. Some experts estimate the Earth holds over 6.2 trillion tons, far more than all remaining oil and gas reserves combined. So where does this hydrogen come from? It forms naturally through serpentinization, when water interacts with iron-rich rocks, splitting water molecules and releasing hydrogen gas. Over millions of years, that hydrogen collects in underground traps, just like oil. If we can tap into these reserves, it could reshape our planet. Hydrogen burns clean. Its only byproduct is water. No CO2, no toxic waste. Imagine cities running on hydrogen, cars that only emit water, and industries powered without polluting the sky. But here's the catch. Most hydrogen lies deep underground, making it expensive to reach. Some reservoirs are too small. Others require new drilling technology. Plus, there are environmental risks, ecosystem damage, gas leaks, even seismic activity if extraction isn't done right. But progress is happening. In Mali, natural hydrogen already generates electricity. The US Department of Energy is mapping underground zones. If we crack safe, large-scale extraction, this could be one of the most important discoveries in energy history. We're standing on a natural power grid. Could hydrogen really replace fossil fuels? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love science deep dives, hit like and subscribe for more discoveries that could change our world.